Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you the joy of freshly ground coffee, courtesy of the Hamilton Beach electric coffee grinder. This is an indispensable part of my coffee making routine for a few really important reasons that I'm going to share with you. First of all, the ease of use. With just the push of a button, I can effortlessly transform whole coffee beans into the perfect grounds ready to brew in just seconds. Also, the fact that this grinder operates so quietly is wonderful. I can brew my morning cup of coffee without waking up the whole house. But what really has impressed me the most, it has hidden cord storage so it won't get tangled up with anything else, and it really can fit into any small space. So if you're a coffee lover like me, upgrade the flavor of your mug of coffee with the Hamilton Beach electric coffee grinder. It's the best way to start the day. And that's my point of view.